I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the needle is seated and facing the correct way. A bent needle ruins tension. Next, place your thread on the spool pin and guide it through the bobbin winding path. Once done, engage the bobbin winder and press the foot pedal briefly. Stop at about 10 revolutions so the bobbin is even. Make sure to cut the thread tail and return the spool pin to its upright position before moving to the next step. You now install the wound bobbin into the bobbin case, aligning it with the arrow or notch so tension faces correctly. Pull the bobbin thread through the slot and out, leaving about 3 to 4 inches free. Once the bobbin is set, raise the presser foot to release tension discs and thread the top spool through each guide, the tension, and the take-up lever. Make sure the thread seats in the tension disc. Then slowly hand-turn the handwheel to bring the bobbin thread up, catching it with the needle thread. You finish by turning the handwheel toward you until the needle descends and rises to pull the bobbin thread up through the needle plate. Grab both threads and pull them to the back under the presser foot. Test sew a short seam on scrap fabric to confirm stitch formation. Check for balanced stitches. If loops appear on top, tighten top tension slightly. If loops appear underneath, loosen it. One key troubleshooting tip: rethread both bobbin and top thread before adjusting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.